The 3-race deal for Jeremy Martin, you can definitely say, has not gone the way either him or the team probably expected, with a 20-20 at Fox Raceway for 21st overall, and then last week at Hangtown, getting up to 11th halfway through the race and crashing in Moto 1. He didn't return for Moto 2, and since then, well, we have an update from him saying, quote, "Unfortunately, after my crash in Moto 1 at Hangtown, I've decided to sit out Thunder Valley this coming Saturday so that I can get back to 100% from Millville, which is where I've now decided I'd like to finish my career with the team. A massive thank you to everyone at Star Yamaha for their support and belief in me, and all the people out there who have been supporting me. It's been a privilege to ride under the truck, and as a lifelong fan of the sport, I'm excited to continue supporting the Star Yamaha team." Obviously, this is a 3-race deal. It was supposed to be the first 3 rounds of the series, and there was the rumor going around that it might be the whole summer. And obviously now we know it's these first 2 rounds, and then Millville and retirement, I guess you want to call it. But you got to say, this is a strange thing. I mean, obviously, the guy who owns the team can do whatever they want. It's their money. They can dump it into whoever. And obviously, they have a lot of people out. I think it's 4 or 5 riders right now out with injury. So sure, having a fill-in rider, probably fine, especially one who's familiar with the team, ridden for them, has won championships in the past. But it's kind of a strange thing considering he's been out of the sport for a couple years. There are probably many other people who you could have given that ride to and used it as a audition for somebody maybe new on the team. And again, his money, their money, whatever, they can do whatever they want with it, but it's definitely not been a productive ride. I mean, you get a 21st overall, you get a half a race and a did not race. Will he come back and be competitive at Millville? Probably not. Let's just be honest here. And for him, I guess it's probably good. You get to sign with the team and retire with the team. But, it's just, to me, you could have used it as an audition. Sign some privateer, sign somebody else who has shown some promise and see where they fall. If they're bad, who knows? I mean, it's only 3 rounds. It wouldn't have been any worse than signing him and having nothing happen for 3 rounds. And I know he's a fan favorite and people like him and everything. It's just, to me, I don't understand this signing. 3 rounds doesn't really make sense in general. I mean, I guess if it was going to be a retirement ride, then it kind of does. But to me, whatever. Again, my opinion really doesn't hold any weight because I'm not the one paying the bills. So it's kind of a up in the air thing. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you going to any of the future rounds? Are you going to Millville specifically? Do you think he deserved the ride? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.